This is my 4.6 liter that I'm working on for my Mach 1. And I bought a tool, a spring compressor from Wisco. And it's the funnel style, kind of like what ARP offers, I guess. But the big deal about this is it's 35 bucks compared to like 70 bucks from ARP for one of theirs. So if you're listening to ARP, guess what? I'm not doing business with you because this is a way better deal. And I just wanted to show everyone how easy it was to use. So I'm going to try to lay my phone down. I'm going to have to turn it. Let's see. That's good enough. And what I'll be doing is basically inserting this just by hand. So I won't be using and I just lube this up with oil. I've already got my rings situated and checked the gap on them. Set them up so I'm ready to install. Just get my orientation right here one last time. Double check something. Okay. And we're going in with it. Some people won't drop them in like this. I do because I'm just real careful and I have a lot of time. So, but once you get that the rings to actually go down in there, it literally just comes down. I guess I can pick it up a little bit. There we go. From there, it literally just comes down to holding it straight, and then you can kind of work it in a circular motion if you have to, and that's it. Goes right in, no damaged rings, no tapping with the hammer, no risking breaking rings. 35 bucks from Wisco. Hell of a deal. So, those of you that have seen me online know that I complain about rotten deals, overpriced companies, just buying a name. And I think this is a good product. So, letting everybody know. Hope this helps somebody.